On our last episode of Onboard Lifestyle, we enjoyed the iconic Agua Verde anchorage before making the decision to backtrack to Puerto Escondido to wait out a 2-week-long wind event.
But you see that our mooring ball is buried.
In typical basik fashion, my mom brings the cruisers together to celebrate, eat, gamble, and just enjoy. With a few days left before the winds are forecast to ease up, the crew is hunkered down and definitely going a little stir-crazy.
Alright, this is the aftermath of yesterday's festivities.
I know, you don't think about when 15, 20 people show up, what it takes to clean up after.
And that was even using disposables, but in my culture we don't clean dishes the day of Lunar New Year. So we have to wait for the next day, and boy, is that a lot of dishes.
There's so much stuff. It was a lot of fun, though.
It was fun. It was worth it, of course.
Oh my gosh.
The things we do for tradition.
That's right. Oh man, so much garbage.
And hardly any leftovers. That's what sucks.
I know, I thought that I made so much.
It was just about the perfect amount. All the food was just eaten up and everybody was stuffed. I think everybody had a good time.
That means I have to cook again today.
Oh well.
I know. Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Well, thanks, family. That was fun.
That was fun.
Now get back to cleaning. Just kidding.
So you guys getting tired of the wind yet?
Yes, I'm done.
One good thing about the wind.
I cook.
You cook. Man. Does this look good? What do you think, Em?
Lasagna?
Man, I'm so excited for dinner.
Dinner and a movie.
Dinner and a movie.
What else could we do besides just hang on? This wind is relentless. So what's your secret ingredient in your lasagna?
Lots of cheese and ricotta. Homemade sauce. That's what it is.
I thought you were going to say lard.
That too. You like my ladle?
I do. Hey, whatever works.
That's right.
That's it? That's dinner? It's so small.
It's just perfect for me. Who said it was for you guys?
Okay, that one looks much better.
This is a lot of food.
That's 25 pounds of loving right there.
This is about 12, 15 pounds of food.
Nice.
All right.
That's dinner.
My work is done.
Dinner tonight, and I'm sure plenty of leftovers for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Because it is just still so ugly out here.
The wind is howling outside. We got some good grub.
Yeah, we do.
How is it?
It's excellent. That ricotta. Where did you find ricotta?
I know, I couldn't believe it either. Creamy?
Excellent.
Emma's been eyeballing this for a couple hours now.
Yes, all day. Oh my gosh.
Been torturing you, huh?
And now we get to dig in.
Just another pleasant evening.
Oh, I'm getting so stir crazy. We gotta get off the boat.
Did anybody even walk outside today?
They walked into the cockpit, but it was so windy.
I mean, listen to it howling out here.
It hasn't let up, but hopefully in a few days.
What is today? Today's like a Wednesday. I think it started to calm down Friday. Don't worry, we'll be out of here soon. Bright and early. This is our first window of no wind or steep wind. There should be a little bit of offshore breeze this morning, but at least it's not blowing 25 to 35. Okay, might be light today, but looks like we have 5 days of weather that's going to be 5 to 20s, which is much more comfortable. So we'll take advantage of it and start working our way south again. It's a nice little safe harbor here, but boy, we got bored. We were here too long, almost 2 weeks with that wind event. Crazy. Okay, Puerto Escondido. We'll see you later. Hopefully it'll be a while. We're heading south. Tucked into Marte. Just this little teeny anchorage. There's 4 of us in here. There's not much protection from the south or the east, and the wind's out of the southeast right now, so we're getting a little chop, but it's going to clock around out of the west here in about 2 or 3 hours, so it'll be nice and calm overnight. But a cute little anchorage. We're in about 14 feet of water, crystal clear, sandy bottom. And looks like we're gonna be here just tonight. We're kind of on a fast track heading south right now. Next stop, probably try to get 40-50 miles in tomorrow. Pick an anchorage. I'll look at the weather in the morning, and there's plenty of spots to stop. We'll make the call en route, and then pushes us a little bit closer towards La Paz. There's another norther coming at us. It's gonna be later in the week, about 4 or 5 days away. But we want to be tucked into a nice safe place for that. Hopefully it doesn't last as long as the last one. This one looks short-lived, so we'll see. Oh well, here's our home for tonight. Lynn's cooking up a little dinner. Emma's over on the neighboring boat playing games with some other cruising kids, and she should be back soon, and we'll just settle into a nice quiet night. Probably leave 7 in the morning again.
We left the anchorage at first light and decided to head towards San Evaristo, a small fishing village in a protected bay with about 20 full-time families living there. The wind started light, but quickly filled in, so Basik covered the 41.3 nautical miles in just under 7 hours at an average speed of 5.9 knots. And yes, that's my dad's finger. We dropped our hook in the shallow bay in 8 feet of water just in time to head to shore for an early dinner at the only restaurant in this quiet little town.
Here we are, Evaristo.
Haven't been here in a bit.
I know, it'll be a good stop for us. One night here, and then on to the next place.
If I will ever figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Today's travels are going to be a bit different. Our float plan is to anchor at 2 islands in one day. Basik will leave San Evaristo after breakfast and head east 7.8 nautical miles to Isla San Jose to the Amortajada anchorage. The crew will have about 4 hours to launch the dinghy, head up to the mangroves, and explore the lagoon on the south end of the island. One problem: the entrance was very shallow with an aggressive tidal flow.
Compass does not like that Sheila is out of the boat. Look at this current. It's supposed to be... The tide's supposed to be coming in, not coming out.
Once we crossed the bar entrance, the mangroves opened up to a deep network of waterways leading to a massive lagoon.
With the afternoon wind starting to build, the 7.2 nautical mile run from Isla San Jose to Isla San Francisco went by in a blink. Just north of Isla San Francisco lies one of the few inhabited islands in the Sea of Cortez. Isla Coyote is known for the small community of families that live on its rocky shoreline.
We're now in Isla San Francisco. We thought that actually we would have this place to ourselves, but there are 9 other boats in here with us. I think that a lot of them are charters and, I don't know, other cruisers. So it's a big party tonight, I'm sure.
We're just anchoring out right here. I think this spot is so beautiful. Last time we were here, we hiked up right here.
Make it look pretty, everyone.
That was pretty fun. I don't think we're doing that this time though. I think we're heading out tomorrow. So
Don't walk through there, please.
Oh yeah, I won't.
Okay, go ahead and start reversing.
Obviously we weren't kidding when we said this is just a pit stop, because we are pulling up anchor and heading out. We're gonna take advantage of this light northerly wind. Looks like we're gonna just go about 20 miles and go to Isla Partida and spend the night, maybe 2 there, who knows, and then on into La Paz. Fish on! This is so exciting! What do you think it is?
Some sort of fish.
Oh, buddy.
He's a fighter.
Oh, this is nice. Is he a skip?
I don't know, grab the bucket. I'll put him in a...
Stupid skipjack.
Or is it?
No, no, there's no dots. Round 2. Let's hope this is what we are thinking. Maybe it's the same fish that we threw back. Oh, this is a big one.
No, I don't think he's big. He's just a fighter. He's fighting like a skipjack again.
Don't say that. It's fighting like a bonito. It's fighting like a wahoo.
Oh, that'd be nice.
Yeah. Smaller. Oh, that was for sure a skipjack.
Okay, put the bucket down there.
Or maybe not. It has more stripes.
Yes, this is a bonito.
Bonito! Woohoo! Oh yeah. Oh no, there's a spot. Why did you pick it up with your right?
I really hurt myself. I felt something tear.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of Onboard Lifestyle. With everything running smooth on Basic, we were due for a hiccup. Too bad it was an injury to the captain. A special thanks goes out to our patrons whose generous support drives the production of these videos. Join our crew if you can. Come back next week to see how this accident affects our travels. See you then!